Hi, I'm Haley, and I was a Dillard's corporate buying intern. My day to day was sorting samples, creating different sales reports, inserting stuff into order forms, and much more. I got this internship by an Auburn alumni reaching out to me on LinkedIn. She needed an intern for the summer, so then I interviewed with her, the assistant buyer, and the DMM, and then they got back to me about a week later. What I enjoyed was getting to see the behind the scenes and getting a say in what to buy, also understanding the brand and our customers. I learned a lot though about how work environment is extremely important. You need to put your preferences aside when buying, and I learned how to create orders and sales reports. Some advice though is going into an internship, keep an open mind, and if you do like it, that's great, and if you don't, then that's okay, but you have to work really hard. And an internship is about learning what you do and don't like, so take every opportunity to shadow and learn as much as you can. Thank you.